Hello everyone. So again we have a good news for all those who were waiting for the AIBE 21 notification. The notification is out. Yes, notification out हो चुकी है and as per the scenario AIB अब ईयर में 2 बार कंडक्ट किया जा रहा है because लास्ट ही जो AIB 20 हुआ उसके बाद रिसेंट में ही AIB 21 की notification is also out, in which the exam is going to be conducted in June 2026. That means June में एक एग्जाम हो जाएगा, उसके बाद last part of the year also there will be one more AIB exam, so it is going to be conducted twice in an year. So according to the notification, June में आपका AIB 21 का एग्जाम होगा. एंड अगेन स्टूडेंट्स AIB को आज से कुछ साल पहले तक जितना लाइटली लेते थे, नाउ इट इज एडवाइजेबल कि AIB को भी हमें उतना ही सीरियसली लेना चाहिए जितना सीरियसली वी टेक द अदर एग्जामिनेशंस. बिकॉज व्हाट आई रिमेंबर इज पहले, आज से कुछ साल पहले तक AIB एग्जाम यूज्ड टू बी लाइक अ केक वॉक कि हम ठीक है वी विल डू इट बिकॉज Barracks were allowed, the books were allowed, उस पे भी अब restriction लगा दिया गया है. Each and every type of material is not allowed. And even if you take the material with yourself, looking at the recent year, the AIB 20 question paper, अगर आप वो question paper देखोगे, the level or the standard of paper is exactly like the question paper of maybe the APO exam or the judiciary exam. Some of the students could not clear it because the exam level was unexpectedly difficult. And of course, when it comes to the competitive exam, the trend, the paper pattern keeps on changing. It is not fixed. So अब पिछले वाले AIB से एक lesson learn करके now it is the time that we should take it very seriously and prepare it accordingly. For that preparation, we also have a course. And exclusively AIB All India Bar Examination के लिए Drishti Judiciary has also launched a course which will be a recorded session course which will include each and every subject. आप उसमें enroll हो सकते हैं. That is very good because that is strategically designed for those aspirants who are appearing for AIB examination. And let me tell you, जब से ये 3-year practice का rule आया है under judiciary, litigation has become an important part, the most important part of our preparation phase. क्योंकि इसके पहले तक we used to prepare and we used to appear for the examinations of judiciary. But अब, according to the Supreme Court judgment, 3-year practice is mandatory in order to be eligible for the judiciary exam. That means litigation now is one of the most important aspect of our preparation. बिना litigation के हम eligible नहीं हो सकते हैं. And for that purpose, for litigation, AIB exam is very important क्योंकि आपका वहां पे एक बार काउंसिल के अंदर अगर आप AIB एग्जाम क्लियर कर लेते हो, you get enrolled as an advocate of the Bar Council of India, and then your practice starts to be counted. और उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स आप स्टेट बार में एनरोलमेंट भी कराओगे, जो कोर्ट में एनरोलमेंट होता है वो भी होगा. बट AIB इज इंपॉर्टेंट नाउ इवन फॉर दोज जो लोग प्योरली लिटिगेशन के लिए एम कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए तो जरूरी है ही, और अब जो जुडिशरी के लिए भी एम कर रहे हैं, AIB इज इंपॉर्टेंट इक्वली फॉर देम ऑल्सो बिकॉज एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया है. फॉर दैट पर्पस AIB is no more just a formality. It is now an exam which requires a proper strategic planning. पहले के जैसे हम इसको नहीं दे सकते हैं क्योंकि अब एक तो रिक्वायरमेंट ज्यादा हो चुकी है. It is an eligibility for the judiciary exam. Plus, now the paper pattern has changed in such a manner that just reading the Bare Act is not sufficient. Because as per the previous question paper, the question trend has changed and now they are asking more of conceptual questions than the direct questions. And of course, for understanding concepts, you should have the crystal clarity of particular subject. इसमें बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स आपके सिलेबस के अंदर आते हैं, लाइक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज देयर, सीपीसी इज देयर, 3 क्रिमिनल लॉज आर देयर, कंपनी लॉ, लेबर लॉ, एनवायरमेंट लॉ, पीआईएल, एडमिन, एटसेट्रा. एंड ईच एंड एवरी, बिकॉज एरियाज जो डायमेंशन है वो बहुत वास्ट है इसका, इतने सारे एरियाज होने की वजह से, और अब हमें सिर्फ वो एरियाज को प्रिपेयर नहीं करना है यूजिंग द बेयर एक्ट, we have to prepare them strategically. That means we have to cover them conceptually also. So for that purpose, now you have to gear up for the preparation, because जून आ ही गया, नया साल शुरू हो चुका है, जून आने में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा, आपको आपकी प्रिपरेशन करनी है. अब सिर्फ बेयर एक्ट ले जाने से, बेयर एक्ट पढ़ने से there is no guarantee that you will clear the exam. You have to have the crystal clarity of the concepts also. For that purpose, as I just mentioned, the Drishti Judiciary has also launched the AIB course, and it is going to be an online recorded course which will cover each and every aspect of your syllabus. यहाँ पे आपको questions and everything will be available so that you can prepare to the best. So now AIB is just there. Start preparing for it. My guidance is, please understand the concepts. Do not just rely on the Bear Act. It is important now. So prepare well. God bless you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.